Sorry I've not posted in a while. Don't mind my mom. She's doing the dishes in the background. So I've been trying to practice this, and I think I've mastered it. So sorry I've not posted in a while. The new caves is beautiful. You should really check it out. Do not shoot one of these, or else you're done for. There's like no footprints out and anything. So okay, so I've mastered this. So you're gonna. Dang it, the pink didn't make a sound. That is what it sounds like. Let me do it again. I really like it. It's very difficult for me to do it down here though. Over here. It's like pretty difficult over here. Like I don't know like which is high and which is low. So it's difficult. I like doing it up here because it's much easier. Oops. I messed that up. But that's what it sounds like. It cave wave. I'm glad they did not remove that. To me, this is the best song in the whole Gorilla Tag game. I love it. And in this version of Caves, you can actually play crates with this, which is great. They're like scattered all around the map. Let's see what it sounds like with them mixed. Dang it. When I first tried to do it, I thought it would be like the wool sound. So well, thank you guys for watching. Sorry, I'm really sorry for not posting in a while. I've just been too lazy. I'm very lazy. So yeah. Sorry if I go on a rampage of not posting again, but I will try to start posting a lot more. So yeah. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it if you made it this far into the video. Thank you and bye.